How to get pregnant fast. 1. Stop using contraceptive. The restoration period of birth control pills differs, some take the body longer to adjust to even after stopping to take them. The time it takes for a woman's body to readjust and be ready again to become pregnant after discontinuing contraceptive varies. Diverse birth control methods make it impossible for women to get pregnant for several months after totally stopping to use them. 2. Evaluate your physical health. Most women conceive quickly when they are in good general health. This includes being at a healthy weight, adequately addressing any infection or chronic illness. Boost your chances by treating untreated health issues like viral infections, high blood pressure, diabetes, and unchecked body weight. Your chances will be bumped up by resolving these health issues. Also, already existing health conditions can be considerably deteriorated by pregnancy. 3. Have sex. With the exception of certain assisted fertility methods, getting pregnant requires having unprotected intercourse. Pregnancy occurs from the fusion of female and male garments. The egg fuses with sperm and descends to the fallopian tubes to implant on the wall of the woman's uterus. 4. Track your menstrual cycle. Mark on your calendar the start and end of your menstrual flow each month. Half the battle for achieving natural pregnancy may be learning about your body. Within a menstrual cycle, women are only fertile just for some days. Knowing how to identify those days can help you target your sexual activity and get pregnant sooner. If you have a regular cycle, you can often estimate the time of ovulation by dividing your cycle in half. For example, if your cycle is 28 days, you will likely ovulate around day 14 after menstruation begins. If you have a longer cycle, you may ovulate as late as day 20 after your period begin. Whenever your vaginal fluid discharge is uncloudy and clear is mostly your fertile period, make the commitment with your partner to have sex for 3 to 5 days, the discharge is noticed. When the vaginal fluid discharge becomes unclear and not stretchy, you are unlikely to get pregnant. 5. How to have sex to get pregnant. Have sex for up to 5 days before ovulation, because sperm can survive in the womb for several days. Sexual intercourse prior to ovulation can increase the chance of pregnancy. If you are not in a hurry to get pregnant, having sex 2 or 3 times a week may result in pregnancy within several months. Try to achieve orgasm after your partner ejaculates and lay on your back to potentially increase the chance of sperm entering your cervix. 6. Foods. Shun foods and drinks that may weaken your chances to get pregnant. Women planning to conceive should avoid alcoholic for up to 2 months prior to attempting conception. Avoid excessive coffee intake. Do not smoke or use illicit drugs. Avoid fat and processed and sweetened foods. Eat a diet rich in organic, plant-based foods that include grains, nuts, fruits and vegetables, chicken, eggs and some food high in omega-3 fatty acid, iron, selenium, and other fertility-enhancing components. 7. Take prenatal vitamins. It has been revealed from research that the right combination of folic acid, iron, essential vitamins, and nutrients boost the chances of getting pregnant. Taking folic acid before trying to get pregnant reduces the risk of spina bifida and other neural tube defects. Encourage your male partner to eat food that promotes sperm health. Men should eat food rich in fruits and vegetables and avoid excessive alcohol, caffeine, fat, and sugar intake. In men, selenium has been observed to boost fertility. 8. Overcome common fertility problem. Visit your gynecologist if you are having difficulty in conceiving. Healthy couples under 35 years engaging in regular intercourse should be able to conceive within 12 months. If you are over 35 years, this time frame reduces to 6 months. Get tested for common fertility problems by your gynecologist. 9. Discuss with your fertility expert. Consider using IVF to get pregnant. From all the assisted reproductive techniques, IVF is the most effective. Ask your fertility expert about IUI and any other fertility treatment, including drugs that might be appropriate in your case. Thank you for watching this video. If you find value in it, please give it a thumbs up.